The government is calling it the first step to cheaper childcare. The Early Years Action Plan, which has been launched here today, promises to expand access to subsidies under the National Childcare Scheme. As it stands, families are entitled to full support if their income is below €26,000, and that threshold hasn't changed since 2019. Under this new plan, that threshold will rise to €34,000, with graduated subsidies introduced for incomes up to €68,000. Minister Norma Foley says this is part of a long-term push to cut childcare costs to €200 per child per month.
And I've also announced today that we are introducing a maximum fee cap, and the actual information on that will be outlined in 26 when we get all of, I suppose, the statements of financial statements from the providers. And really what that is, those that are paying the highest fees or the maximum fees, that they will be reduced. So for example, in September we announced that parents who were availing of a service between 40 and 50 hours, the highest fee that they were paying there was €395. We reduced that to €295, and when the National Childcare Scheme was introduced to that, they were paying less than €200. Again, that's still far too much, but just to show that at either end of it, we are making progress.
Now, it's worth noting that this plan is coming more than 6 months later than originally promised by Taoiseach Simon Harris. He had pledged a roadmap to cutting childcare costs to €200 a month within the first 100 days of government. Now, Minister Foley says that this plan lays the groundwork for that goal, and we can expect more information after the public consultation period ends next September. So for parents, today is really more about direction than delivery.